This little girl here, the orange coloured girl, has got to be one of the sweetest, most gentle, cute little pups we've ever had. She's so sweet. She's only 2 weeks old, well, just over 2 weeks old now, and she's always the first one. Oh, sorry, I don't know whether you can see that or not, but she's always the first one who comes to me for a cuddle. She really is a sweet, gentle puppy. Yeah, she's a gorgeous little girl too. She's got a very pretty face. Makes somebody a beautiful pet girl. Absolutely adorable, this one. Such a gentle, sweet little girl. I'll see if I can't get a good picture of her face. It's a bit hard because she likes to get right up close. But that's her there. Anyway, she's beautiful. I'm thinking of you, Chelsea, just in case you didn't guess. She'd be very nice with young children.